Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to the TheTecherz. I'm Surmeet Singh. This is my first video apart from my introduction video, and as the first video I'm about to quick start what is electronics. See, this question I have been asked a lot, like throughout the years, and even in our books, we have been given those boring definitions like, okay, what is electronics? And honestly, I never used to understand from them, like, what is it? And many people have confused this with other branches of engineering, especially my friends and families. They would confuse computer science and electrical mostly with the electronics. So I'm here with a simple and more basic introduction about this. Is, see, in simple terms, it is a field of engineering where we study the flow of electricity to build the inventions such as computers, mobiles, and all the other things. See, because machines, they just understand the language of zeros and ones, which is not exactly numbers, but they are actually voltages. So we study electricity in order to communicate with the machines to tell them what we want them to do. And how we can do is we can use different components like resistors, capacitors, or maybe ICs that we design, and we can combine them in a way that we can control the flow of this electricity and in order that machines will operate. This example, I'm going to relate the electricity and the electricity circuit flow using an example of a dam. Over here, as we see in this dam, I know it's not the best drawing. Over here, if we take this as a dam, this can be set an example of electrical source in equivalent to an electrical source. The water inside the dam would be equivalent to a voltage. The water flow is your current, which is an actual flow of electricity. This narrow pipe that restricts the flow of water can be an electrical equivalent to a resistor that restricts the flow of electricity. This tanker can be an equivalent of a capacitor that stores the charge, just like the tanker stores the water. And this valve can be an equivalent of a diode, which only allows the flow in one direction. In other words, we can use this knowledge to control the flow of this in order to build this, and and finally control the function of these. So, well, that's it. That's electronics, and hopefully we'll see you next time. And for further, we'll meet on the next video. Do comment your feedback below. Thank you.